Hi guys, I have an unboxing today from Xerons, and I will show you what I got. First one is from a Universe yarn, which I really like this. I had to order it again. It's 19% wool, 15% acrylic, and 70% polyamized. It's a chain spun yarn. In Universe. And the color is called Rainbow. I love this. I ordered 2 packs of this because I needed it again. So 2 packs of the Universe. And another one that I absolutely love is the Rosetto. I got 2 packs of that too. Fabulous colors. %30 wool and 70% acrylic. I love this one too. I got 2 packs of it. The color is turquoise, green, gold, fuchsia, and brown. So I got 2 packs of those. And I got another Rosetto in this color. Purple shades, pink shades. Very pretty color. I got one of those. Then I got Mystique. It's a soft yarn. Very pretty color. $25 wool, 75% acrylic. And the color is gold, purple, yellow, mint green. And I got it in this nice brown shades. And I got Fantasia. In this pretty color. %15 wool, 75% premium acrylic. And the color is yellow, lilac, rose, and pink. I do not see any yellow in this, but it's very pretty. And the bag is ripped. Then I got this ambient. These nice blue shades. %50 wool, 50% acrylic. Beautiful blue shades in that one. Yep, it's called Blue Shades. Alpaca, and then I got this alpaca colored jumbo. It's very soft. 15% acrylic, 15% wool, 70%. Oh no, 15% alpaca. Sorry about that. 15% wool and 70% premium acrylic. Love the colors in that. And that's for a 2-pack. Orange gold beige. Very nice. Then I got wool tweed, super bulky in purple. Love the tweed in that. The specks of colors. It's really pretty. 25% wool, 72% acrylic, and 3 visco. That's very pretty. Here's another Rosetto, just like the ones I just showed you. This is gray shades, camel, and lilac shades. Very pretty color. Merino gold light and salmon. It is 60 merino wool and 40 acrylic. A very pretty salmon color. Rockabilly color. It is very soft and silky feeling. I love the colors in it. It is 60%. I don't know. And 30% pollinized. But that is very pretty colors. That's a rockabilly. Mariella. It's very, very, very soft. I don't know if you can see the shine in it. It's very, very pretty. I like this one too. Hand-dyed succulent. Very pretty shades. It's four hanks in a pack. 75 superwash wool and 25% pollinized. And it's a lightweight one. Yes, I'd say it's a lightweight one. Very pretty. I like this one too. Huh?